What's up guys, my name is Tiasia Cockrell and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are tuning in with your girl today. The unit was sent to me by Gorgius Hair. I absolutely love it. It is a 14-inch Jerry curl, natural, realistic bang wig. Okay, the scalp is giving scalp. Y'all, it's a realistic scalp in here. Who gonna say this ain't my hair? Like, let's really be honest. I love it. The hair is very soft, super bouncy, so flowy. So this will be a quick tutorial because, honey, it took me like 2 minutes to put this on, style it, and we was ready. Something quick and easy. This is for you. One of my girls just texted me, was like, hey, let me know which unit would be quick and easy for beginners. It gets no more convenient than this. And the scalp, y'all, is pre-bleached. Let's really talk about it. If you want to see how I styled this wig, definitely stay tuned. Kick it with your girl for a little bit. I'll show you guys how I shook her out, threw her on, and was ready for the day. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, so Gorgius Hair sent me a wig to review. This is their beautiful box. If y'all know me, I love a good packaging, so they have the purple box going on. Okay, so the wig that I'm reviewing today is the Jerry Curl True Scalp Wig. And so it looks like it has a scalp, and I like that. So I'm excited. I haven't tried one of these wigs yet, so I am ready to see how it's gonna look on my hair and then how tight the curls are going to be. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is the wig. It's super tight Jerry curl curls. If you run your fingers through it, the curls will loosen up. It has the bang in the front. Okay, the short bang in the front, and then as you guys can see, it has the scalp, and it looks like a true realistic scalp. So that is awesome. I'm excited. And this is also a throw on and go wig, so you don't have to do any styling to it if you don't want to. Just take it off every day if you want, and then just plop it back on and you're ready for the next day. So we love the convenience of this wig, and that's why I was like, let's try this out. So the part is actually HD lace, and then they pre-bleached the knots. So that is how it looks, so realistic. So that is awesome. The inside of the wig, it has an elastic band that is attached, which I absolutely love. It has combs in here for extra security, and then it also has adjustable straps in the bottom. So this is definitely going to be very secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps in the back, and then we're going to go ahead and throw her on. Right off the pack, it's definitely the Jerry curl feel. So the curls are super tight. They are very soft. I love that. As you guys can see, the scalp is scalping in the middle. So what I'm going to do is spray some water, take my hair bottle, spray some water, put a little product in it, and then we're going to just try to make it looser just a little bit, because I want the hair to be more voluminous. Oh my god. I want the hair to be bigger, just like a little bit more volume and less structure. So let's do that. Yeah, just running my fingers through, and you know, spraying some water just gave it some volume. Gave it the volume I was looking for. I love how it shapes around my face too. That is too cute. Y'all, I'm finished. Okay, so y'all, the quickest, the simplest throw on and go wigs I've ever tried. Like, I love the curl pattern. I love the softness of it. Give it the bounce, the flow. The flow. It's like if you get like a diva cut, it gives me that feel, like shaped around the face, full in the front, higher and bigger at the top, goes down. How cute. Like, look at this, y'all. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let me bend down and grab something and y'all see my scalp like that. Like, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. You cannot tell me this isn't my hair. Like, this is so cute. My mom just came in my room, was like, oh yeah, they did their thing with that one. And did. Very secure. Yeah, so it shows my brows a little bit, but like not too much. Gorgius Hair, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. All right, you guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, this was super quick because the wig is so quick to put on. Okay, you don't have to do too much. So I absolutely love it. Thank you again, Gorgius Hair, for sending me this unit. I'm gonna be looking out for more y'all units. Y'all are killing the game. Y'all go check out Gorgius Hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave me some love in the comment section. Let me know what kind of wigs y'all want to see next. I focus on hair, beauty, and fashion, but YouTube is more so hair. So I will see y'all later. Bye.